I'm Gray with Baratza, and today I'm going to show you how to dial in espresso on the Forte BG. With the right workflow and a little adjustment, you can make great espresso at home. Today's recipe is simple: 18 grams of coffee, aiming for 36 grams of espresso in about 25 to 30 seconds, a classic 1:2 brew ratio. The Forte BG has two grind adjustments: the macro adjustment on the right for larger grind changes, and the micro adjustment on the left for fine tuning. The macro settings run from 1, the finest, down to 10, the coarsest, and the micro runs from A, the finest, to Z, the coarsest. For espresso, we'll be working towards the finer end of the range at setting 2p. For lighter roasts, you may want to start at 1p. If you're moving several clicks finer, make the adjustment while the grinder is running or completely empty to prevent unnecessary wear on the burrs. Wipe out the basket before grinding to remove any moisture. I'm dosing out of the grounds bin, so with that in place, hit the weight icon and adjust the display to 18 grams and press start to grind. You can save 18 grams to one of the presets by pressing and holding the preset you want to overwrite after setting the display to 18, if not already saved. Now pour into the portafilter. Gently tap the portafilter to level the grounds. The goal is to have an even coffee bed before tamping. Hold the tamper like a doorknob, keep your wrist straight, and press firmly until the coffee pushes back. Lock the portafilter into your espresso machine, place your scale, then your cup, and start your shot. The first drops should appear after 8 to 12 seconds, and the shot should flow in a smooth, even stream with a rich crema on top. Let's taste it. Delicious. Nice sweetness, balanced acidity, full body. That's what we're looking for. If your shot isn't quite there yet, don't worry. Dialing in usually takes a few adjustments. If your shot finishes too quickly or tastes weak or sour, make the grind 1 or 2 settings finer. Fresh coffee and a consistent tamp will also help improve extraction. If your shot takes too long or barely drips, adjust 1 or 2 settings coarser. After changing grind settings, grind a small amount first to clear coffee from the previous setting before pulling another shot. In general, we recommend making adjustments to your macro setting first, with the micro near the center of the range. That way, when you're only a second or two off from your perfect shot time, you can precisely adjust with the micro adjustment. Once you've dialed in your coffee, future shots become much easier. Keep in mind that as your beans age over several days, you may need to adjust the grinder 1 click finer to maintain the same extraction time. Espresso is all about finding the right balance of grind size, dose, and brew time. If you need any more help, visit baratza.com/support. Thanks for watching, and happy grinding. Baratza, we grind, you brew.